last night. I super glued them, but they're all like belly up. This is a print that we just finished. The most common 10 female names in the USA, and this is what we're bringing to the market. Now I'm just gonna put something for print before I go to work. Make sure I put all the correct settings. This is gonna be the base for my moon lamp. Okay, and then gyroid, no supports, no brim, slice. It's gonna take an hour. Okay, and then the croc charms that we did last night, I think they took, I don't know, a couple hours, 5 hours from what I heard. Yeah, so these are like the most common names: Amelia, Grace, Chloe, Evelyn, Emily, Charlotte, Olivia, Sophia. And then we still have to put the backing on them to make them into croc charms. And our 12-hour print failed. So what happened was the tower fell off. So then all the string happened. And then I guess the poop chute didn't go down. I mean, it wasn't that full, but it was just stuck in there, I guess. But yep, this happens too. So this was the catastrophe poop that happened inside. This is when it changes colors and it decides to not fall down properly, so it gets stuck like this. It clogs up the machine, so then it can't properly print. It was almost done though, like there was just 2 hours left. I don't think there's any way to save it. What a shame. So today I'll be showing you the day in the life of a full-time farm tech and also 3D printer. I am doing a market this Saturday, so we're kind of like stressed out and scrambling everything to get together, putting the price labels on everything, and making sure we have enough products for the market. I am getting ready to go work. This is a Labubu keychain that I made. And Labubus are too expensive, so this little guy will stay with me for a while. I've lived here in Denver for almost 2 years now, and honestly it's very similar to Boise, Idaho, where I grew up, just a bit busier. I'm currently on my way to the hospital where I work full-time as a pharmacy technician. I've been in this field for about 5 years now, and I really enjoy the fast-paced environment. Outside of work, I run a small 3D printing business where I design and sell custom items, so the ambigrams, the keychains, the flexi toys. And it started as a hobby, but it's become a fun and fulfilling side hustle I truly love. So I probably won't be able to record much once I get into work. It's mostly like recording and HIPAA violation. I don't want to deal with any of that. I'll record on my breaks, but I won't record in the pharmacy. But I essentially, help the sell prescriptions in the front or fill in the back. I've worked at a hospital pharmacy for like 5 years now, and yeah, sorry, it's just like so dark in here. Maybe I should have. The light barely helps. Anyways, I am heading in. Bye. just got off work. It is 4:30. So today I worked from, well, I got there early. Like, I got there at 7:45. So pretty much from 8 to 4:30. And I'm gonna go to the dollar store to grab some stuff for tomorrow. I just need like some stuff to help put up the pricing boards. Just small things. I'm also out of super glue. I have nail glue at home, but I don't think those work very well. But yeah, here we go. I got home and now we're gonna hot pot. I have not checked on the prints yet, and I have not put another print to print, so I'll have to do that when I get home. Hey guys, I'm back. So we got home from Hot Pot and I've just been getting stuff ready for the market not tomorrow, Saturday. Yeah, today's Thursday night. I think it's like around 10:30 right now. I'm getting pretty tired, not gonna lie. But I'm doing this last thing, trying to just get it done for the night. So we ran out of super glue. So we're Amazon priming it to our house tomorrow. Yeah. I am making like the sticker for our payment stand. So the funny thing about my Cricut machine right now is that it won't read this whatever reading sensor mark. So I have to put matte tape over it in order for it to read. But it will cut out exactly what I want. So if it works, it works. Yeah. I feel like maybe a 6 out of 10 for this market on Saturday, because I mean, I have been preparing for it, but it's not as well as I want it to be. And I just feel like I will never have enough products, like to where I'm filling up the table. And I also have been trying to get the 6-foot table for the market, but is literally nowhere in stock. Not Walmart, not Costco. I looked at Amazon. I was like, that is not going to come in time anyway. So why would I order it? So right now I'm stuck with 2 4-feet tables. The nice thing is that they are height adjustable. So it can be short, tall, medium, whatever. But they're not 6 feet. Yeah, I just hope everything goes well for Saturday. I'm just too stressed out about it right now. I mean, I put the signs and stuff and it looks okay. So, yeah. We are printing a NFC, no, not NFC, keychain holder, a rotating thing. I hope it'll be done by tomorrow night. But yeah, I'm going to finish this up and I'll let you see what it looks like. I created a sticker with my Linktree QR code so customers could scan and directly go to my shop and social links. I must say that Linktree is so convenient and so helpful, especially when you have as many links as I do. The Linktree helps connect customers to my website, Instagram, YouTube channel, and even my Amazon recommended list. Alright guys, it is 11:30. I'm heading to bed. My brain's no longer working. I've been up since 6:30. Yeah. I'm gonna call it a day. Bye guys.